between public and private, these are yung differences nila. Now, when we study in public, just like here in the Philippines, syempre it's quite competitive, especially back in the days. For someone to be eligible to apply to a public university, it has to go through a rigorous assessment. They are very particular. They use a system called ANABIN, wherein you can check if kung saan ka gumraduate before actually qualifies you to apply for a certain programs, let's say sa master's program, or hanggang ano ka lang ba, hanggang bachelor's, or yung certain levels nung sa education. Hindi kasi nagma-match yung education system natin and the quality of our education sa quality of education nila. So one challenge will be not all classes will be taught in English, and at the same time you need to submit German proficiency language. I think at least at a B2 level. Not all courses will be available in the span of, let's say, 18 months master's program. That means na it can prolong yung duration ng study program mo. Instead na 18 months typically, it can go up to 3 years for a master's program. And at the same time, mayroon ka pa rin babayaran, although hindi naman siya ganun kamahal. Probably 60,000 per semester. Yun nga, depende kung saang subject ka makakapasok or saan ka ma-accept, and it's really up to dun sa system nila, dun put you or place you doon sa public university. Now, when it comes to the private university naman,